Well, this is to show you how to make finely chopped nuts for your cookies, for your holiday baking, or for anything. You can actually do this with onions if you have a good sharp knife. This is a wide blade knife, which is what you need. You place it, put your nuts down on your cutting board, and then you go in an arc shape, holding with your opposite hand to keep it in place, and you just make tiny arced cuts all the way across, and you scoop it up, and then you go the opposite direction, or you can go the same direction, doesn't matter. And that way you get some of the, what I call the nut flour from doing this, which is the really tiny particles of the nuts, which really makes your cookies delicious. And then you end up with this lovely, very finely chopped nuts. This is one of those little knife skills that you might not have tried before, but if you don't have a spice grinder or food processor, it does great. Enjoy, have a Merry Christmas, and hopefully this helps you out with making your cookies this year.